Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro app. We click on settings and we click here. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FxPro. Then here in this page of app on file, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store and you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.